Hello, guys. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of my Excel series from beginners to pro. And within this episode, I'm going to talk about how to create a worksheet from scratch. And today, I'm just going to create a simple worksheet, not a lot of data. I just want you to get a general idea of how to create a worksheet, right? So let's move forward. First thing, I'm going to create a title. Miss Peggy's class, right? And to make it look a bit better, I'm going to format it. So merge and center. Nice. I am going to have student, grade, and subject. I'm going to increase my cell size. As you can see, I am just entering some data. Very arbitrary data. Okay, what I also want to show you is how you can copy information from two different cells. What you're going to do is select the cells, and then you're going to press Ctrl C or Command Z on Mac, and then select the other cells, Ctrl C again, and then Ctrl V. As you can see, I have copied the information from student and subject columns. So let's try it again. Select the cells, hold on Ctrl, press C or Command on your Mac, Command C basically. Then you're going to select the other cells, still holding down on Control and press C. You're going to select a cell anywhere within your worksheet where you want that information to be inserted. And there you go. Pretty simple, right? I also want to talk to you about the Control Z command. What the Control Z command do is undo your information, basically. You see that? It's undoing all my information. And if you're on Mac, you can use Command Z to undo your information if you want to. And you can use the Control Y to redo your information, and on the Mac, it is Command Y to redo your information. So it's up to you what you want to do. Instead of using the undo and redo button up at the quick access section, just Control Z, Command Z, Control Y, Command Y to redo and undo your information. Alright, now let's head back to my data over here. I'm going to put a border around my information. I want to make it thick. I don't like how this piggy look right here. I might just copy it and paste it over here. Alright, better. This look better. What I am also going to do is I am going to turn this into a table. And how do I do that? Select the cells and go over insert over here. Click on table and click OK. Another thing I can do is I can sort my tables depending on the information. I can sort it by name. when I sort my information, the other information in the other columns followed it. You see that? All right. You can play around with this if you want to. It's pretty simple to use. Okay, guys, that's it for this episode. I will see you again next time.